Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to another class of Taller Intercultural. Okay, I hope everybody's fine, everybody's well, and I hope all your families and all the people that you love and you know are well. Okay, sorry. Okay, all right. This is the worksheet that I sent you last Thursday. Okay, and I put down here all the answers so you can check them at home and see if you did your job right. Look, here, all these answers here, they belong over here, okay? So you can check and see if you've done a good job. I know you've done a good job, all right? So down here, down below, we got exactly the same thing. All these words that we're missing here, we're supposed to fill in this space. Okay, we have them right here. All right, so check them out, see if you done it right. Okay, and great, another thing done. All right, now let's go to the work over here for the next unit. I'm sorry, for this next work. Okay, we're gonna continue. Remember, I read this last week. I'm gonna read it again, but today I'm gonna read it in a different way. I'm gonna be jumping, skipping, okay, and I'm gonna do it from 1 to 4. And Let's find out if you know which one am I talking about. Remember, say the number loud, okay, so can everybody hear you. All right. Now here, all right, it says stop. Don't cross. The man on the light, it's red. Oh, thank you. Listen, when there's no green man, you can't cross. Okay, let's go for another one. Don't drop the old balloon there. Oh, sorry. Find a van or take it home. It's not good to drop rubbish. Now, let's go for another one. This is nice. Let's sit here and eat our lunch. Stop. Don't walk on the grass. Look. Oops. Sorry. And the last one. Come on. Let's play football. No, not here. We can't play football on the road. Okay, let's go to the park. Okay. We'll find which one am I talking about, all right? Now let's go to the exercises that I'm sending you, all right? Remember, I talked about this exercise before, and all right, so you can write down what you need. Remember here, okay? What I'm gonna do, okay? Saying the word, okay? And you just have to feel what you need, all right? Remember, shh, okay? Sheep. Sh. Number 2, sh. Sh. Number 3, 7. 4, chips. Chips. Number 5, shirt. Shirt. Number 6, desk. Number 7, fish. Number 8, dress. Number 9, sleep. Sleep. Shop. Shop. Okay, right? Now here, as I said, you can write down things. You're supposed to ask your friends, but don't worry, ask them. Okay. Now what you have on you, for example, boot. There's a there. Okay. A yes, I have. Okay. So here, then that you think you have a cow. Well, maybe you have a little toy cow. All right. Next one here. All right. The right answer. There's a red or green man on the traffic light. You can. That's why it's green road and you need a green man on the traffic light. Okay? On right, your skateboard on the road or at the park. On the park. Maybe it's the right place. You decide. Okay? Number 3. The sign says, don't walk on the grass. Walk or walk on the grass. We saw a little reading that I did. What do you think? Okay, number 4. In the van. I never threw a book. Number 5. Don't cross the road. Traffic light are red. Okay, certain color in the traffic light, we can't cross the road. Okay, so choose. And now here, okay, look at right here. It says, I can put my. All right, good. And here, I crossed here, play here. Okay, right answer. Write it down. All right, I will send you the answers. Okay, so now and see if you done it right. Okay, rubbish. There's a sign here. Do not walk on the grass. Pedestrian. Okay. Yeah, I cross the street around here. Wow, look. You got a foot. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you have fun. Hope I explained it right. Love you all. Let's go for this week. Miss you a lot. Have fun. Help mom and dad. Stay home. You can do lots. Okay. Well, miss you a lot. And hug. Bye bye.